Big corded vacuums are a must for many homes. Now they've met their match. Dyson's V11 Outsize vacuum has a full-size cleaner head, designed to deep clean more floor faster. Dynamic load sensing intelligently adapts to different floor types to optimize power and runtime automatically. And black carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors. The full-size bin collects even more debris before emptying. And this Dyson hyperdymium motor spins up to 125,000 RPM. So you get the suction power of most big corded vacuums without the hassle of a cord. Only a Dyson works like a Dyson.